Alright guys, thought I'd tell you that this cool thing here is happening very soon, as in I'm going to bring back none other than the Yokomo kit. Unfortunately, I've not been able to work on this because I've had so many problems with the YouTube channel and social media and trying to grow the channel, so haven't been able to do a lot on this. I've also bought a very cool soldering iron that turned out to be broken. So it was dead on arrival, FUBAR, whatever you want to call it. So I had to return that, and it's they're giving me a replacement because Amazon is cool like that. So there's that, and so very soon I'm going to be bringing this Yokomo kit back to the channel, and we're going to have more drones and a lot of other cool stuff that I haven't had a chance to make videos on in a while, but that's coming all soon, so stay tuned and thank you for watching, guys.
Likey.